Which part of your country do you want to live in?
I've always wanted to live in Busan because of the sea. I've visited there a few times, and I like the atmosphere as well as locals.
What makes you feel proud of your country?
I always feel proud of my country's traditions and unique culture. It's not comparable to other countries' ones. Also, nowadays, I feel proud of K-pop artists and movies as they are in huge success.
Do you know the history of your country well?
I'm getting to know more about it actually. I've never received any formal education on Korean history because I started studying abroad at an early age, but as I'm getting interested in now, I'm trying to learn about it.
Will you stay in your country in the future?
I guess so. At the moment, I don't have any plans to leave Korea, and I want to stay with my family. So, I think I will stay in my country for a while. I can think of my best friend's wedding which took place a few years ago. It was a very important event for me. It was held in a very beautiful British-style garden. I remember it was absolutely wonderful as it was held in June, when all roses were fully bloomed. The weather was fabulous, and the bride and groom looked amazing, too. Personally, it was the first wedding that I attended. I was so excited to go there because I really wanted to see her in a wedding gown. Also, I was invited as a bridesmaid, so I was utterly happy on that day. All guests, friends, and family members were really happy for the bride and groom. It was such a gorgeous day. The weather was sunny and nice, unlike typical British weather, and as it was held in a garden, everything looked marvelous. Also, I'm sure everyone was really happy for the new married couple. I was happy for my friend, and she was absolutely stunning on the day. All the people gave them warm blessings, and it was such a beautiful day.
What is the most important thing for being a teenager?
Forming a positive personality, I guess. People who are optimistic can solve problems well whenever they face one. I think it's really important to do so at that age.
What events do people in your country like to celebrate?
Obviously, birthdays, weddings, and graduation ceremonies for university graduates. Also, there are some national events people celebrate together like Korean Thanksgiving Day and Lunar New Year.
Do you like to plan for an important meeting or activity?
I don't mind doing it. I like making plans in general, so it doesn't quite bother me, however big and important the event is when planning it.